Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams in Ramadan. First, create a realistic study schedule that integrates your spiritual practices. Consider dedicating your most challenging subjects to the hours after suhoor, when your energy levels are often highest. Remember to incorporate short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Maintaining your energy is crucial. Focus on consuming balanced meals at suhoor and iftar, including complex carbohydrates and proteins, to sustain you throughout the day. Drink at least 8 glasses of water between iftar and suhoor to stay hydrated. Even a 15-minute walk can significantly boost your blood flow and mental clarity. When studying, break down your material into smaller, more digestible chunks. This makes learning less daunting and more effective. Employ active recall techniques, like flashcards or self-quizzing, to solidify your understanding. Find a peaceful study spot where you can concentrate without interruptions, maximizing your limited energy. Don't underestimate the power of rest. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep, perhaps by taking a short nap during the day. Connect with study partners or family for support and motivation. Remember the spiritual significance of Ramadan. This perspective can provide immense strength and focus during your exam preparations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.